Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can now copy and paste your Riot ID instantly from Valorant. You don't have to type it out anymore. You can also do that for your friend's Valorant ID as well if you'd like to share that for some reasons. But anyways, you're just going to go to your name here. You're going to right click, don't mind this please. And then you're going to copy your Riot ID, and as you can see, you are able to paste that here. And you're also able to obviously paste it here, so it's easier rather than just typing it out. It is in the new feature, I believe. I haven't seen this. You're also able to, if you are, oh actually you can do it here too. Go to voice chat settings here, but I think that was like here too. Yeah, so there's one here and one on your name if you'd like to change your voice chat settings. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!